Alright, let's look at the homework 2.4, problem number 4. Alright, so here's the limit, 4x minus 9 as x approaches 4 is equal to 7. Right, so we want to find the corresponding delta values for epsilon equals 0.5, 0.1, and 0.05. Right, so let's do that. So function is 4x minus 9. Right, so I'm gonna type in f of x, which is equal to 4x minus 9. Right, and put that in. Right, then x approaches 4. Right, so x approaches 4. So let's see, I'm gonna put x equals 4 so you know where it is. Right, and I'm gonna move a little bit and scale down. Alright, then what we're gonna do is we're gonna put that, so the limit is going to be 7. So we're gonna put epsilon. Let's see, I'm gonna actually put epsilon on slider. So here, so if you click on that and put here, so slider, and I'm gonna call this guy epsilon. So epsilon here, and the minimum value is 0, and the maximum value is so 0.5 is the maximum value, and increment is 0.01. Alright, then apply. Alright, so I'm gonna put let's see, y equals 7 plus epsilon. Alright, so epsilon here, alright, put that. Alright, then also y equals 7 minus epsilon here, epsilon here. Alright, click. Alright, so we want to fall in between those two lines. Alright, and I'm gonna maybe stretch that out so that you can see it a little bit better. Alright, so alright, so we have that. And so we can see that we need the delta value. So what would be the delta value that we need to make sure that this is going to be between these two guys? Right? So we have, I'm going to put another, let's see, I'm going to actually put a point, intersection point, which is here, intersect. Right? So here's the intersection point right there. And here's another intersection point right there. Alright, so you can see that let's see, the precision that we need is let's see, actually they want an exact value. Oh, okay, so this is actually maybe an exact value. Maybe I'll let go here. Oh, actually make sure to see more. Alright, so this is the exact value. Alright, so it looks like 0.125 because this is 4. So you can go beyond 4. 0.125 would be the value. Alright, for epsilon equals 0.5. So 0.125. Alright, for the 0.5. Alright, how about 0.1? Alright. So 0.1, so if we move this guy, right, so here's the epsilon value, so I'll change that to 0.1, alright, so we have to get much closer, right, maybe we should, but the value is 0.025, right, so we have 0.025. Right, then for epsilon 0.05, so move down to here, and you can see that it's going to be 0.0125. Right, it's going to be 0.0125. Alright, so let's double check. I'm going to go down and submit for testing. Alright, it came back and looks like we got all three of them correctly. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.